Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, in the previous exercises, we have done multiplication of a two-digit number by a three-digit number, a three-digit number by a three-digit number. Today, we will do exercise 5.6 word problems based on multiplication. Okay. So, question number 1. There are 125 troops of soldiers in a cantonment. If there are 425 soldiers in each troop, find the total number of soldiers in the cantonment. So first, let's solve it. Number of soldiers in one troop, that is equal to 425. It has been mentioned in the question. Number of troops of soldiers, that is 125 troops of soldiers in a cantonment. So total number of soldiers will be 425 multiplied by 125. Okay. So we write the numbers like this and put one number below the other. So we multiply 425 by 5 first, which is at the ones place. 5 5 is a 25, carry 2. 5 2 is a 10 plus 2, 12. Write 2 here, 1 on the top. 5 4 is a 20 plus 1, 21. Now you multiply 425 by the digit at the tens place, that is 2. For that you have to write 1 0 here and then multiply. 2 5 is a 10, carry 1. 2 2 is a 4 plus 1, 5. 2 4 is a 8. Now you have to multiply 425 by 1, that is at the hundreds place. For that you have to write two zeros here and then multiply. 1 5 is a 5, 1 2 is a 2, 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Now you add these partial products. 5 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 5. 2 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 2. 1 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 11. Carry 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 8 3. 11 plus 2, 13. Write 3 here. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Therefore, total number of soldiers in the cantonment is equal to 53125. Students, question number 2 to question number 7 striked off from the syllabus. So students, let's do question number 8. The water capacity of a tank is 1325 liters. Find the total capacity of 74 such tanks. So capacity of one tank is mentioned here. It is 1325 liters. Now we have to find out the capacity of 74 tanks. So capacity of 74 tanks is equal to 1325 multiplied by 74. Now you multiply here, put one number below the other, write according to place values. So first multiply 1325 by the number at the ones place, that is 4. 4 5 is a 20, carry 2. 4 2 is a 8 plus 2, 10. Write 0 here, carry 1. 4 3 is a 12 plus 1, 13. Write 3 here, carry 1. 4 1 is a 4 plus 1, 5. Now multiply 1325 by the number at the tens place, that is 7. For that you have to write 1 0 here, then multiply. 7 5 is a 35, carry 3. 7 2 is a 14 plus 3, 17. Write 7 here, carry 1. 7 3 is a 21 plus 2, 22. Write 2 here, carry 2. 7 1 is a 7 plus 2, 9. Okay. Now you have to add these partial products starting from the units place. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Write 0 here, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Write 9. Write 9 will come down as it is. Therefore, the answer will be capacity of the 74 tanks will be 98050 liters. Students, question number 9 is your homework. So students, we'll move on to the question number 10, that is Rakesh reads 12 pages of a book in 1 hour. Okay. So how we have to do this question? First read this statement and try to solve the question. Total pages read in 1 hour is equal to 12. Now move again to the question. Read the question again. How many pages are there in the book if he reads 4 hours in a day? Okay, Rakesh reads 4 hours in a day. So how many pages he have read in a 1 hour? That is equal to 12. Now total pages read in 4 hours will be 12 multiplied by 4. He reads 4 hours in a single day. एक दिन में 4 hours वो read करता है pages. 12 into 4 is equal to 48. Now move to the question again. If he reads 4 hours in a day and finishes this book in 24 days, अगर वो 4 hours daily read करता है बुक को और फिनिश करता है 24 आवर्स में उस बुक को. ओके, नाउ हाउ विल वी डू? टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस रेड इन 24 डेज विल बी 48 पेजेस. वो एक दिन में 48 पेजेस रीड करता है, तो 24 डेज में कितने करेगा? 48 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 24. ओके, इट विल नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस 48 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 24. राइट वन नंबर बिलो द अदर. So 48 will be multiplied by 4 first. 4 8s are 32, carry 3. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16 plus 3, 19. Now multiply 48 by the digit at the tens place, that is 2. For that you have to put 1 0 here and then multiply. 2 8s are 16, carry 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Okay, now you have to add these numbers. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15, carry 1. 2 plus 2 1 plus 1 2 plus 9 11. That he total number of pages read in 24 days is equal to 1152 pages. So we will do question number 11 now. A bus can carry 52 passengers in one trip. Okay. How many passengers will it carry in the month of July if it makes 5 trips in a day? So what has been given in the question? A bus can carry 52 passengers in one trip. Therefore, we solve like this. Number of passengers in one trip will be 52. So number of passengers in 5 trips will be 5 times the number of passengers in one trip. That's why we write 52 multiplied by 5. Numbers here it has been given how many passengers will it carry in the month of July. So July month has 31 days. Number of passengers in July will be 52 multiplied by 5. This one day. वन डे में वो इतने पैसेंजर्स कैरी करता है. ओके, एक ट्रिप में करता है 52, तो फुल डे में एक दिन में 5 ट्रिप्स लगती हैं, तो 52 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 5 ये वन डे में उसके पैसेंजर्स जो कैरी करता है. वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर विथ 31. ओके, पहले हम इन दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जो इनका प्रोडक्ट आएगा, फिर हम उसको 31 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. नाउ वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड 52 बाई 5. 5 2s are 10. Write 0 here, carry 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. Now multiply this 260 by 31. 260 multiplied by 31. Now you write these numbers in the columns. 260 will be multiplied by 1 first. 1 0 is a 0. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 1 2 is a 2. Okay. Now multiply 260 by the number at the tens place, that is 3. 3. For that you have to write 1 0 here, then multiply. 3 zeros are 0. 3 6 are 18, carry 1. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7. Now you add these numbers. 0 plus 0 0. 6 plus 0 6. 2 plus 8 10, carry 1. 7 plus 1 8. Now how many passengers will it carry in the month of July? That is equal to 8060 passengers. 3. Now question is let's move to the question number 12. Read the statement. The monthly fees of a student is rupees 530. Okay. There are 142 students in a class, including all sections. How much fees is collected from that class? So We have read in the question that number of students in the class are 142. Monthly fees of one student is rupees 530. So total fees collected will be rupees 530 multiplied by the number of students, that is equal to 142. So we multiplied here 530 multiplied by 142. 530 फर्स्ट 530 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 के साथ, 2 0 0, 2 3 6, 2 5 10. Now you multiply 530 by the number at the tens place, that is 4. 4 zeros are 0. First we have to write 1 0 here, then multiply. 4 zeros are 0, 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21. Now you